Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshot album here. And here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.